Hi Sam. I'm excited today because we're learning the word
genehmigen,
Hi Alex. What does
genehmigen,
mean?
Great question.
genehmigen,
Means to approve or to permit. The most common usage is in the context of giving formal approval, like for a project or application.
That makes sense. Are there any tricky meanings or false friends with this word?
Yes, there can be. Some learners might confuse
genehmigen,
with the English word to deny, which is quite the opposite. So remember, it's all about granting permission.
Can you explain how
genehmigen,
works in German grammar?
Absolutely.
genehmigen,
Is a verb. In the present tense, we say
ich genehmige, du genehmigst,
and.
genehmigt.
Got it. What about in the past?
In the Präteritum, you would say.
Ich genehmigte,
And for the perfect, it's.
ich habe genehmigt.
You can also use it in the imperative form, for example.
Genehmige das bitte.
Which means, please approve that.
That's useful.
The word
Genehmigen,
comes from the Old High German word,
genehmida,
which means to take or to receive. Over time, it evolved to mean giving permission.
That's really interesting. Language changes so much over time.
Now, let's break down
genehmigen,
into its parts. It consists of the prefix, the root,
nehm,
from,
nehmen,
which means to take, and the suffix,
igen,
that often creates verbs.
So, it's like taking something to give permission.
Exactly. You can think of it as taking something into account before giving approval.
What are some similar words to
genehmigen,
There are quite a few. For example, with the same prefix,
genehmigen,
we have,
Genehmigung,
which means approval. Then there's,
vergeben,
which means to grant.
What about other prefixes?
Sure. With, we have,
erlauben,
meaning to allow, and with the prefix, there's,
befürworten,
meaning to advocate.
Interesting.
For suffixes, we have,
ung, Genehmigung,
meaning approval, and
Heit, Freiheit,
meaning freedom.
So many connections.
Let's practice speaking. Imagine you're at work, and you need to ask for approval on a project. You could say,
könnten Sie das bitte genehmigen?
Könnten Sie das bitte genehmigen?
perfect. Or you might say,
Ich habe das Dokument zur Genehmigung eingereicht.
Ich habe das Dokument zur Genehmigung eingereicht.
great job. Now, let's say you're at the doctor's office. You could ask,
Brauche ich eine Genehmigung für diese Behandlung?
Brauche ich eine Genehmigung für diese Behandlung?
excellent. One more situation, at a building office, you might say,
Habe ich die Genehmigung für den Bau?
Habe ich die Genehmigung für den Bau?
you're really getting the hang of it.
How can I remember the gender of
Genehmigung.
It's a feminine noun, so you would say,
Die Genehmigung.
a good hint is that many nouns ending in
ung.
are feminine. You can visualize a woman giving her approval, which could help you remember.
I'll definitely remember that.
In terms of usage,
Genehmigen.
is quite formal, often used in official contexts. You might hear phrases like,
Eine Genehmigung erteilen.
which means to grant permission, or
Ein Verfahren genehmigen.
meaning to approve a procedure.
And what about similar sounding words?
Watch out for,
Verneinen.
which means to deny. They can easily be confused, so remember that
Genehmigen.
is all about approval. Let's review some sentences. For instance,
Die Behörde hat die Genehmigung erteilt.
means the authority granted the approval.
Die Behörde hat die Genehmigung erteilt.
Very nice. Or,
Wir haben die Genehmigung für das Projekt erhalten.
means we received the approval for the project.
Wir haben die Genehmigung für das Projekt erhalten.
Excellent. And one more.
Genehmigte die Änderung.
Means he approved the change.
Genehmigte die Änderung.
Now, let's do a quick recall check. What does
Genehmigen.
mean?
To approve or permit.
Correct. What's the present tense form for?
Ich.
Ich genehmige.
Right. How do you say, please approve that, in the imperative?
Genehmige das bitte.
Perfect. What is the plural form of
Genehmigung.
That would be
Genehmigungen.
yes? And finally, what's a common mistake with this word?
confusing it with to deny.
Exactly, well done. To summarize, we learned that
genehmigen,
means to approve. It's a verb with a formal usage, and we explored its origins and forms.
Thanks, Alex. I feel more confident with this word now.
I'm so glad to hear that. Keep practicing, and you'll keep improving.